Alright, today I'm going to show you how to put just one single name on your Facebook account. First, open your Play Store app. Search for TunnelBear and install this VPN. Once it's installed, open it up. At the bottom, you'll see a list of different country servers. Scroll down and select Indonesia. Tap Continue to allow the connection request. Now, wait until it shows that you're connected. Next, open your Facebook app. This is the account I'll be working on. Right now, the name is Alina Wakas, but I want to change it to just Alina. Tap the three-dash menu in the top right corner. From there, tap Accounts Center under Meta. Choose Profiles. Then select the one linked to your Facebook account. Now, tap on Name. Here, you can edit your name. Remove the last name completely. In the first name box, type the name you want to appear. In my case, I'll just put Alina. Where it says last name, don't type anything. Just press the spacebar once. Now, tap Review Change. Again, leave that space in the last name. Then hit Save Changes. That's it. Your profile will now show only one name. To confirm, go back to your Facebook homepage. Refresh it. And when you click on your profile, you'll see it shows just a single name. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you out.